You recording?
Yeah. Hey, you have to tell me your name.
Oh, I'm Mary Wilkins.
What's your name?
My name's Will Wilkins. I can't ride a bike. Ouch.
That was bad.
That really hurt.
How about you try the jump right there?
Brakes.
How about you try to jump that? Go all the way over there and try to jump it.
Ooh.
Are you okay?
I lost control.
Are you a zombie now?
That's all. Who is your face?